Hey guys, welcome to Proto Coders Point. Okay, so in our previous tutorial, we have created a Ubuntu server on Amazon Web Services, and we have also learned how to connect to our server by making use of WinSCP software. So in this tutorial, we are going to install Nodejs on our server. Okay, so let's begin. So first of all, you need to your server should be started. It should be running. Okay, and you need this WinSCP software. So let's me connect to our server. So for that I need my IP address. So let me get that. Okay, so copy the IP address and paste it in host name, and my server username is Ubuntu, and the password I need to pick the ppk file. So let me do that. Okay, so this is my ppk file. So this is the authentication key to get connected to our server. So let's just log in. Okay, so now we are connected to our Amazon Web Service server. Okay, so over here you need to open a terminal. So just press on this icon. You can see this is the putty that we have installed in our previous tutorials. So if you have not watched that tutorial, you can go and check it out for a better understanding. Okay, so now this is the terminal of our Ubuntu server. So over here, before installing Node.js, you need to update your Ubuntu server. So for that, here you need to run some command, that is sudo apt get update. So this will update your Ubuntu packages to a latest version, and then you need to run another command, that is Ubuntu apt upgrade. Okay, so you can see I am in the latest version for now, so nothing was been upgraded. Okay, so now let's install Node.js. So to install Node.js, run this command, that is sudo apt install Node.js. Hit enter. Okay, so yes, so our Node.js is been installed in our Ubuntu server. So next we need to install Npm package. So for that, run the same command, that is sudo apt install. Here you need to replace it with npm. So it will take about 700 MB of your server disk. So our Amazon server internet speed will be more than our local system, so it may complete within 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, so our Node.js and npm package is been installed. So to check that, you can just run a command, that is node v. So it will return the node version that is been installed, and npm v. You can see my node version is 10.19.0 and npm version is 6.14. okay, so we have just successfully installed Node.js in our Ubuntu Amazon server. Okay, so in our next tutorial we are going to install MongoDB and learn how to connect to MongoDB by making use of Mongo Compass. Okay, so please watch that video tutorial, so the upcoming video. So thanks for watching. Please do subscribe Proto Coders Point. Thank you.